Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the Season Pass deck. These are made by Cardazine. We're going to go Cardazine. On the top it says there, Volume 2, Season Pass Poker Size. It's got the pips there. On the side it's got a sort of seasonal looking, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Same on the other side, winter, summer, spring and autumn. Designed by Cardazine, 2016, Cardazine. All rights reserved. Let's crack them open and have a look. So, let's break the seal. Get rid of the cellophane. There is no seal for the tuck case. Designs continued onto the flap. It's embossed, which you can see looking on the inside, which is pretty cool. This whole back part has a textured feel to it as well. Get these out. Give that little case a little shake then, as I left a card in the other day when I was doing one of these videos. So here we've got one of the jokers. It's like a flower beginning to sprout. Another joker, a flower beginning to die. Here we have it. So we have Season Pass. This by Cardazine. It was funded on Monday, 18th of January 2016 for a Kickstarter campaign. Wants to thank all the backers. There's the card back. Are there any other? Oh yeah, there we go. That's pretty cool. All different seasons. And we go straight into the deck. So here we have the Ace of Spades. It's a relatively spade shape. Various flowers and leaves throughout the middle there. It's pretty nice. 2 of a bicycle. So I think this is a sort of spring side of it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it says spring. And then it's moving into summer. Very cool. Huh? Oh, that must be winter. We've got snowman, gingerbread. Very wintry. Then we go into autumn, which is pretty good. I know in America they call it fall, which doesn't have the same ring to it, does it? Some of these are pretty cool. You've got the Halloween in there. I like it. Summer. Yeah. It's pretty good. Quite impressed. I mean, for me, I would like to have the freedom in my life to be able to just take a deck like this with all of these different activity ideas and just, pick a card at random and just go and do that activity. But I mean, I suppose you're limited to whatever season you're in. Yeah, they're really nice. I actually quite like them. Very simple. But they're sort of effective. I mean, I don't necessarily know whether people like this whole change of face as much as I do. Some people like uniformity, they'll like, continuation. But I like it. I think it's very it's very quirky. It's very different. I don't at all regret getting it, and I really like the case. As I said, the whole front's embossed. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. The sides aren't. The back is. The top is. The bottom isn't. But yeah, I like them. It's very different. Very theme orientated as well. Normally you could have like a dark theme or the pits of hell or time travel or space, and this is the seasons. So it's pretty cool. I like it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.